Hello friends, welcome to Defense Career Academy YouTube channel, and this is Shashikant Badak, and today we are going to discuss about the resources graded in geography. So in the chapter we are going to cover what is the resources, then types of resources and conservation of resources. So let's start from what is the resources. See students, you can resources. Resources means what? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resources. Means anything, whatever available on the words. You can see anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resources. So the many things we are using from our daily life since morning to night. We are using water, you are using pen, textbooks or many more things. So the things satisfy our need, so that the things known as a resources. Okay, so next we are moving to the next point. Hope you understood what is meant by resources. It's very simple, anything that can be used to satisfy a need. Okay, for example, water, we need water, then air, then many things in our day-to-day life. So second part we are moving to the types of resources. So here I am writing types of resources. See, there are major three types of resources. The first one is natural resources. Another one is human made resources. And the third one is the human resources. Okay. See, there are major three types of resources: natural resources, human made resources and human resources. So we'll discuss one by one. See, first of all, try to understand what is the natural resources. Natural resources, the resources obtained from the nature, and it's a free gift from the nature. For example, water we are using, air that we are breathing the air is also resources, then wood and soil and many things. So these are known as the natural resources, that those are obtained from the nature. Then one more thing, sometimes we are using that resources without any modification. But suppose water, we are using water directly, then we are using air directly, but sometimes tools and technology requires to better or to use it better in way. So for example, we are going to take example here, water. Sometimes we use water directly, but sometimes we require tools and technology. How? See, students, suppose we are using water for irrigation purpose, agricultural purpose. So at the time of that, we required electricity, we required bore wells to extract the water from the ground. At that time, we are using the tools and technology. But many of the times we are using natural resources directly, like fruits, woods, then water or many other things. So students, hope you understood what is the one more example we are going to see here, wood. See students, we are using wood directly for domestic purpose, but sometimes we need tools and technology. Suppose we want to make doors, windows, benches and furniture. At that time we need tools and technology. So here you understood what is the natural resources. Let's move to the human made resources. It's very simple, students. Human made resources means the resources that made by the humans. So human making resources by using the natural resources. Suppose human made bridges, human make bridges, then roads, construct the building. At the time of that, human using the natural resources. Okay, so buildings, roads, then schools, these are the human made resources. Why? Because they made by the human. Okay, then come to the next point, human resources. Human itself resources, but when he is having knowledge, skill, at the time of that, his health is also important point here. Health, knowledge and skill. The skillful person, knowledgeful person and healthy person is a resource person. So that's why here is the human itself resources. So student, today we have learned what is the resources, definition of resources and types of resources. There are three types: natural resources, human made resources and human resources. In the next lecture we are going to see the types of natural resources on the various basis. Thank you very much.